Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this VW Amarok. So from any screen onto Navi, turn that down so we don't get a copyright strike. Got menu here, we'll click menu, destination, find address, find places, Google local search. So find address, country, city, road. We'll just, oh dear me, we'll just see if that will take postcode. There we go, enter city name or postcode. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR, and we need to go to numbers. So numbers are there, the 1, 2, 3 symbol. PR5, I'm assuming we need a space because it's only 2 digits, 4, JS, PR5, 4JS, Chorley Road, that's it. You can put a house number in there. Go on, we'll put a house number in. 21. Done. House number not found. Okay, and then go. It seems like you're pressing flipping, you're telling it 3 or 4 times, but it's the same with any other ones. Go, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. So that's telling me where to go. So that's how you set the sat nav.